Omo, this one I never see this cat thing once for my life. See, bro. We see picking for inside this guy boot. The picking the alert,
okay, if the police stopping now, what I know what you explain.
The police all us before.
All right, so Nigeria is getting dangerous by the day. Please, I beg you, you people should be careful. Nigeria is getting dangerous by the day. Be careful. Be careful. Now, what happened in this video? The person that recorded this video, the person talking in this video, now somebody when I know, is somebody that I know very well. He sent me this video and said, bro, see what happened to me today. Do you understand? Now, God help me. Now, what happened? He said, him and his friends were at home and they done booked a ride that they were going out. They booked in-drive. When the in-drive driver came, they entered the car. While they were going, the driver was playing a loud music. Then at some point, after like 1 hour, because there was traffic, after like 1 hour on the road, he said he started hearing the cry of a baby, of a child. Now he said, I dey hear pikin dey cry, and we no carry pikin. I been at the music. Then the driver said, yes, it is the music. Then they kept on going. They were still going again, oh. About 20 minutes later, I said, come, this thing no be music. Pikin dey cry for this car. Pikin dey cry, park this car. The driver refused. They mandated him, they say, park. The driver eventually parked. Tell the driver, say, open your boots. When they opened the boots, lo and behold, pikin dey there. Lo and behold, pikin dey there. Now they say, driver, who get this pikin? Driver no fit talk. Pikin, where are you from? Pikin said, the driver is his father. They were confused. You, the father, why would you put your child inside boots? Would you carry you put your pikin for inside boots? Why? The driver no fit talk. Do you understand? From there, they made noise, people came. You understand? They brought the driver outside. See the driver and the pikin. Do you understand? People came. What happened? They explained. Next day, say, okay, let them go to the police station. When they got to the police station, they were writing down their statement. This guy said, lo and behold, somebody called and said they should release the guy. They don't know who called, but the person sounded influential. Next thing, they wanted to bring the case. They wanted to just stop the case and told the guy to go. They say, I don't understand. What this guy did does not make sense. Imagine if, as we dey go, police can't stop us. Can't say, open your boots. Police is automatically going to think that, come, all these boys, for them to put this pikin for boots, all of them are ritualists or Yahoo boys or something very crazy.